Welcome to Saraswati Classes Belagavi. I am your Professor S.B. Nagaraj, trainer of spoken English, English grammar, personality development and competitive exams, and the author of several books to learn English language. Friends, see, learning spoken English is very easy. Therefore, we are learning spoken English through a shortcut method. Friends, I told you in my last class to prepare the sentences. I hope you have prepared those sentences and you are fully perfect in those sentences. Today, let us go to the next part. Today, let us see the three forms of verbs and how they are used in sentences of our own. Friends, you take eat, eaten, eat, ate, eaten. I ate an apple. I ate an apple. I have eaten an apple. Radha eats a mango. Radha eats a mango. Radha ate a mango. Radha ate a mango. Radha has eaten a mango. Radha has eaten a mango. The dog eats bread. The dog eats bread. The dog ate a bread. The dog ate a bread. The dog has eaten a bread. The dog has eaten a bread. We eat banana. We ate banana. We have eaten banana. We have eaten banana. Like that, you eat an orange. You eat an orange. You ate an orange. You ate an orange. You have eaten an orange. You have eaten an orange, etc. Friends, you take go. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. I go to the college. I go to the college. I went to the college. I went to the college. I have gone to the college. I have gone to the college. He goes to the college. He went to the college. He has gone to the college. He has gone to the college. Her brother goes to the market. Her brother goes to the market. Her brother went to the market. Her brother went to the market. Her brother has gone to the market. Her brother has gone to the market. We go to play. We go to play. We went to play again. We went to play again. We have gone to play again. We have gone to play again. Friends, you take next. Learn. Learn, learnt, learnt. Learn, learnt, learnt. I learnt English language. I learn English language. Her brother learns English language. Her brother learnt English language. Her brother has learnt English language. I learn English language. I learnt English language. I have learnt English language. You learn English language. You learnt English language. You have learnt English language. They learn Hindi. They learn Hindi. They learnt Hindi. They have learnt Hindi. They have learnt Hindi. Okay. We learn mathematics. We learn mathematics. We learnt mathematics. We have learnt mathematics. We have learnt mathematics. Her brother learns Hindi language. Her brother learns Hindi language. Her brother learnt Hindi language. Her brother learnt Hindi language. Her brother has learnt Hindi language, etc. Come. Come, came, come. Come, came, come. You come to the class. You come to the class. You came to the class. You came to the class. You have come to the class. You have come to the class. Radha comes to the class. Radha comes to the class. Radha came to the class. Radha has come to the class. Radha has come to the class. They come to the city. They come to the city. They came to the city. They came to the city. They have come to the city. They have come to the city. We come to learn English language. We come to learn English language. We came to learn English language. We came to learn English language. We have come to learn English language. We have come to learn English language, etc. Next, drink. Drink, drank, drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. I have drunk. I drink milk. I drink milk. I drank milk. I drank milk. I have drunk milk. I have drunk milk. He drinks milk. He drinks milk. He drank milk. He drank milk. He has drunk milk. He has drunk milk. You drink water. You drink water. You drank water. You drank water. You have drunk water. You have drunk water. They drink juice. They drink juice. They drank juice. They drank juice. They have drunk juice. They have drunk juice, etc. Earn. Earn, earned, earned. Earn, earned, earned. You earn money. You earn money. You earned money. You earned money. You have earned money. You have earned money. I earn the money. I earn the money. I earned the money. I earned the money. I have earned money. I have earned money. Etc. Friends, you practice these sentences. Many times, and you try to make similar sentences of your own. See, if you want to write down, you pause the video and write down and practice. Otherwise, you see this video more than 10 times with full concentration. Here the most important thing is you try to make similar sentences of your own. Then only it will be useful. and these videos are very useful for the beginners, those who don't know anything in English. Friends, if you want to learn the definitions of English grammar, articles, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, tense, subdivisions, all the definitions and meanings of all the words, and the so many examples. See, that will be very useful to learn written English, and that will be very useful for competitive exams, and it will be very easy to learn spoken English. But friends, that you can get in our live online classes. Suppose if you want each and everything in detail, then you do one thing, you join our live online classes. In that class we can teach you each and everything in detail. But here I am trying to teach you spoken English with a shortcut method. Okay. If you have liked this video, you like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now only, and you don't forget to click bell icon. And I would like to tell my heartiest thanks to all my subscribers and you also, and the readers of all my books. Friends, I hope you will practice all these sentences. You will make them perfect before my next video, and you will be waiting for the next video. Friends, see you again.